Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a few Christmas cards I received and a project shares that I made for my grandchildren. I make them a homemade Christmas gift every year from me. So let's start with the Christmas cards. The first one I got from Crafty Lady Lisa, and it says, "It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas." Isn't that cute? And then it says, "Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Tina, and I hope you have a nice one. Your friend, Lisa." Crafty Lady Lisa. They're cute. So that's the first one. And the second one, I'm going to look at, it's got a truck sticker on. And then the back, Santa. And this one is from Lucy Silver. They're both cute. Look at the little animals. Owl, a fox. I don't know if that's a bird, but when you open it, ta-da! Isn't it cute? I don't know if this one's supposed to be another owl, maybe? I know that's a bear. I know that's an owl. I know that's a fox, and that looks like an owl. I don't know what that animal's supposed to be. But it says, "Celebrate the season with the merriest of friends. Merry Christmas, happiest New Year, Lucy and family." Isn't it cute? You can sit it like that. I like cards like that, kind of fold out. Very cute. Thank you. So them are the Christmas cards, guys. Awesome. Now, to the project shares. So, like I said, every year I make my grandchildren a homemade item from me. And this year I went with making little name plaques. This is Alley Cats, and I actually did their nicknames. It's very sparkly. I had to redo her letters because I had them lighter and I had to redo them. But this is a puzzle board that I had. I went through the kids' toy box this week and discovered that this puzzle was missing pieces. I looked all over and I'm like, you know what? I kept the puzzle pieces and then I'm like, what am I going to do with this? So this is what I used to make Allie's. So I did, her favorite colors are the pink, the blue, and the purple. And I painted, and it has some texture. If you can see, little spots has texture. And then I outlined it and put some bling going around, blue, purple, and pink, and then her name, Alley Cat. And that's Allie's. And then it's going to hang like this. So that one's Alley Cat's. Very sparkly. She'll like that. And then Coda Bears. And I'm like, how am I going to do Coda Bears? You know, he's a boy. So I kind of did his industrial kind of, I'm calling it. His has a silver. And then I used, his favorite colors are blue and green. And I outlined it. And I painted it green, and then I used a stencil. And then I outlined the stencil with white, and then I went over it with black. I had black lettering, but I thought it needed something. So I went and I painted the black lettering with these letters were felt. And then I went and painted them with silver, and then I used the, what is this again? This stuff. Nouveau silver. So I gave his name a pop. And then I had enough to go around these little, I call them like studs. And then I made this stuff going around here, just in here. And that's Coda Bears. And then, of course, it has that for a handle. So that one's Coda Bears. I like how it looks. And then Riley Roo. Each got a different shape. Riley Roo's, she likes pink and purple. And hers is a little heart. And I painted it pink, used the stencil, did purple, and I outlined hers with white and put silver going across and little letters. And hers is sparkly too. And that's Riley Rose. So them are the 3 homemade gifts for me. Leah, going away right now. I asked her if she wanted me to make her one, my oldest granddaughter. She said no. She thought it was because she doesn't know where she's going to be. She graduates in June. So right now, she's okay with so she was like, maybe once I get my own place. So she's at that 18-year-old age, so it's like, what am I gonna do with it? So those are the 3 homemade gifts for the grandchildren this year. I hope they like them. I think they will. They can hang them in their room or off their door. And through the fact that I was just gonna put their names, but Diamond's like, you should do their, what you call them. I call Alley Cat and Coda Bear and Riley Roo. So I went with their little nicknames I gave them. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, and bye for now.